The human body constitutes of cells. The cells vary according to their function, but they work in harmony. Cells with similar characteristics make up bigger units called tissues, which work in a specialized way. The human body is made up of different tissues, that is muscle, nerve, epithelial and connective tissues. The nerve tissue conducts electrical signals which are managed by nerve tissues found in the brain. The electrical signals are transmitted through the spinal cord to the rest of the body. The connective tissues have the role of giving structure and support to the body. They have strands that enable them to give support to the body. Tendons, bones are some examples of connective tissues found in the body. In addition, the blood is considered as a connective tissue. Tightly compressed cells make up the epithelial tissues. They separate one body organ from another. Furthermore, the tissues protect and keep the body organs in their right position. For instance, membranes that surround body organs are a good example of epithelial tissues. Finally, we have muscle tissues. This type of tissue has the ability to contract. The tissues are able to glide over each other, and this helps a human being to move their body organs voluntarily or involuntarily. All muscles contain these tissues. From the tissue level, we have body organs, which are made up of a group of tissues. The organs work together in a system. The liver and the kidneys are some of the organs in this system. They are some of the organs found in a human body. Organs in the body work together in various systems. For example, there is the skeletal system. The system gives support to the body. In addition, it offers protection to internal body organs. The skeletal system is able to protect delicate internal organs because the bones are hard. For instance, the skull protects the brain, which is very delicate. If the human body was not protected by the skeletal system, injuries would be the order of the day for human beings. The skeletal system also functions as the storehouse for minerals. Calcium salts provide mineral reserve that the body uses to keep calcium and phosphorus ions concentrations normal. Furthermore, the skeletal system is the site for the production of blood cells. The bones are hollow, thus they contain marrow in which the red and white blood cells are produced. The bones used for this function are the femur, ribs, humerus, sternum and vertebrae. The muscular system's main function is to enable mobility. This system makes possible for the human body to move its limbs. Movement is not restricted to organs but materials within the organs, for example, movement of nutrients in the blood vessels. The tissues have specialized cells that enable movement because they have a force that enables them to contract. Both the skeletal muscles and the smooth muscles are found in this system. The digestive system has the role of breaking down foods consumed by the human being. After the breakdown, the system helps the nutrients to absorb to nourish the body. The nutrients also help in maintenance and repair of body organs. Examples of organs under this system are the mouth, esophagus, and many others. The circulatory system is responsible for transportation of materials through the dense capillarity. Nutrients, waste products and so on are transported from one part of the body to another through the system. The heart is a circulatory system organ. It has 4 chambers. The upper part has 2 chambers, the right and left atria, while the lower part has 2, that is the right and left ventricles. Valves take blood inside and outside the heart. The excretory system removes wastes produced by the body organs. It does this thorough filtration of the wastes in the circulatory system. The kidneys, skin are some examples of organs found in the excretory system. The human body is made up of organs that are intertwined in their function, and thus when one organ fails, many others are affected. The organs must work in harmony to ensure that the common purpose of their functions is achieved. You can find this and many other essay samples on our website studycorgi.com.